Good morning, everyone. Students, we were doing complaint letters in class. One more example is here for you. Our next example is to manager complaint against defective washing machine. First of all, you will mention the sender's address. If it is given in the statement, you can write the same address, and if there's no address in the statement, then you must have your ready-made address with you. So I have written sender's address here, A90 sector 63 Noida. After that you will mention the code of that particular city that is given. After that you have to leave one line. You will mention the date after that. It's 20 November 2000 cross. There's no need to write 2020 here. After that address of addressee will be there. It's the general manager, after sales support, Rama Electronics, Mumbai. You will mention the address of addressee according to the statement that is given in your question paper. After that salutation will be there. It's sir. Subject, complaint against defective washing machine. Any home appliance can be there. It may be a washing machine, it may be a refrigerator. I think that you have done in class also complaint about the refrigerator. So you can mention any home appliance here that is given in the statement, whether it's a washing machine, refrigerator, electric chimney, ceiling fan, microwave oven, etc. First of all, you will write the introduction. In it, we will mention, I am constrained to write to you as my complaints to your local dealer have not yielded any result. What is the meaning of constraint? It means बाधित होना या मजबूर होना. First of all, you have mentioned that कि आप मैनेजर को लिखने के लिए क्यों मजबूर हुए हैं, क्योंकि जो आपने लोकल डीलर से इस बारे में कंसल्ट किया उसने अब तक कोई भी रिजल्ट आपको नहीं दिया है. After that you will write about the product, that what you have purchased and from where and when you purchase the particular thing that is mentioned in the statement. So you will write, I had bought a 500-liter washing machine, model number PBR 4354PS from your authorized dealer, Rama Electronics, on 20th November 2020, with receipt number B24003, which carried 2 years unlimited warranty and 5-year warranty on the body. First of all, you will mention that what you have purchased. Here you will write what you have purchased. After that you will write the model number of the particular article, and after that you will mention from where you have purchased the particular item, from where, and after that when आपने कब purchase किया. After that you will mention the receipt number. It's mandatory to write. After these two paragraphs you will mention the defect of the particular item that you have purchased. So third paragraph is, however, the product is giving number of problems. I would like to complain about the same. Some switches of the machine are not working and it also make an unbearable noise. I am unable to use it regularly under the circumstances. I would request to replace the defective washing machine since it is well within the warranty period. This is not washing the clothes properly. In the next line, you will write, hoping to receive a positive response from you. After that, you will leave one line and complimentary clause will be there. It's yours sincerely. After that, you will sign. You will mention the name of the particular person that is given in the statement. Anu Yadav, whatever the name is, you can mention here your name if the name is not given in the statement. After that, full signature will be there. So students, this is your one more example of complaint letters. You will write this letter in your RC, in your FC. Thank you students.